What concerns me is that, why don't we get at the root of the problem, right? Which is what we're eating, right? All the processed food. So if you ever look at, so even everyone says, well, not everyone says, okay, but with so much of our diet, I think I read a statistic like 70% of our diet is now from processed foods, right? And so many of those processed foods, in addition to having extra salt and sugar, perhaps, a lot of them have soybean oil because you're keeping something in a plastic wrap and it's got to stay moist over long periods of time. You need some sort of oil in there. And so it's these little bits of soybean oil and other seed oils that you're getting over time, and all that stuff can add up. Right. But it's important so we want to know, how can you lose weight without having to go to some expensive drug that can also have very nasty side effects? The best thing that I've seen just in the literature as well as just out there in the press is really some sort of intermittent fasting regime. And you don't have to actually buy something. I go, why do you have to buy a fasting diet regime? Fasting is that you don't eat, right? There's nothing to buy. It's like super cheap. It's the cheapest thing to do is you just don't eat, right? So you can control, you control what you control. And it's what you're hearing on social media is just stay away from processed foods as much as possible. So keep reading the labels, I'd say, right? And just try to reduce that as much as possible. Eat as much fresh fruits and veggies as possible.